Hello guys, welcome to Software Hub, and this tutorial we will learn how to install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation 17 Pro. First of all, we should download Kali Linux, then we will install it in VMware Workstation. For downloading, visit Google. Right here, Kali org. Press enter, click download, click virtual machines and select 64-bit if you have Windows 10, and you can select 34-bit, 32-bit. It's better to always use 64-bit. If you have any virtual machine, you can select from here. I have VMware, so I will click here. I have already downloaded it, so I want to cancel it. So go to VMware, double click, open it. You can see here this interface. So here we will import the downloaded file. Select the file we have downloaded. So here you can see, open it and resume virtual machine. Wait here at least 5 minutes. It will install here very easily. So the admin is by default Kali and the password is also Kali. We will enter and press login. You can see this interface of Linux successfully installed. In case of any issues, you can comment. Thank you for watching.